So the Christmas season, I think, is a great opportunity to embed numeracy through all the different crafting activities that we've got. People tend to feel a bit more crafty around Christmas. They want to get more involved. They want to maybe take some skills home to practice with their children. Numeracy is at the core of everything we do in this world, I think. But Christmas provides this kind of unique opportunity for that, to embed that a little bit further. Over the course of this project, I think, being on the ground, working in community groups like this or working at gaining qualifications, it's those I get it moments and, oh, I can do maths, actually. And that, for me, is the crux of this project and why it's been so successful.
We think it's about community. This space is been made available for local people to come and do something that they may never have done before, or they might just enjoy. They're learning new skills. They're talking to people they might not normally talk to. And these are opportunities for young and older people to get together, a diverse range of people who wouldn't necessarily normally get together. And they're learning new skills, they're learning from each other, conversations that people are having that they might not normally have. That's what it's all about, learning. Of course, there's always numeracy to be had in any walk of life. There's always some sort of working out to be done, whether it's time related, money related, there's going to be some sort of numeracy. That's really what it's about, that whole, I'm going somewhere that is, I'm going to get something out of it, it's going to be enjoyable, and I'm not going to feel intimidated. Just trying new things, and that's why doing something like this is important for the community.